Hey everyone, today we're going to be watching a scene from Angels with Guns featuring Enzo Zelocchi, and I am so excited to watch this because Enzo always brings such a powerful, strong, authentic presence to everything he does. So I'm really excited to see what he brings to the table in this scene. So let's get into it. Already a great presence by Enzo. I love that shot. Okay, so we're in an empty bar.
Hello, darling. Did you miss me?
I did.
Good.
Tell me, Thomas, how do you keep people so loyal to you?
Fear. I use fear. It works best. If they fear
I
you,
love his performance. He's kind of
they will never
unhinged,
betray
right?
you.
Fun
If they
and
love
serious,
they will betray you.
but still light.
Humans are all run by emotions, like pussy sweats and penis wrinkles. So
Interesting
yeah,
way to put it.
fear. Anyway, we need to put together the greatest party in the history of parties in order to seal this deal tonight.
Tell me, what do you need?
Good question. Hookers, cocaine, and lots of champagne. That's my magic formula. That's the real miracle of life.
He's so great, so
Like a Beethoven
fluid. I
symphony.
just love his facial
Where I'm the director
expressions.
of it.
Any food or?
No. We already have pussy and cocaine. That's the main course. I like pussy. I like the taste of it.
Well, in that case, why don't I come along?
Absolutely, darling, especially if you need a promotion. Yeah. I'm already getting a little stiffy just thinking about it, you know. I would love you to come again and again and again. Damn, I love how this thing is going and I love the
He's
rhythm.
so emotional. He's so great. Just loose in everything he does.
Yes,
Just kind of unpredictable, right? Which is always an asset.
yes.
Thomas, your phone.
Who is it?
Tony.
Already. What is my stuff, baby?
Boss, we have a delay.
Delays. Listen, I want to be nice with you. You useless piece of shit. I want 50 pounds of Colombian cocaine. No later, not tomorrow, but now. No!
Boss, I'm sorry. One more thing.
What?
I'm sorry, boss. We found your sister dead.
He's so good at shifting between emotions.
Bring her body to me.
That's a really powerful performance by Enzo. Again, we see him, he's so dynamic, a lot of emotion, a lot of breathing, a lot of feeling everything that he's saying before it kind of exits his body and exits his lines. So he's really effective at bringing the emotion to kind of placing you there in this situation with this character. And then also his ability to just move from one powerful, strong emotion and state of mind into another one is really effective. He's really just such a great actor and always a joy to watch.